works in me now, and that's what they prefer. I don't touch no wheel, cause I got a chauffeur. First class, how I get around the world. Just minutes, maybe hit the drama. Unless you come in with that commas. Or DJ telling us.
Yeah, oh, Happy New Year.
Cause I'm beautiful, yeah. When I run you, question that this girl will hate me. Cause I'm beautiful. And though my heart can take no more, I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you treat me so bad. Said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. You know my heart is beating for you, I can't stop crying. I don't know how and now you treat me this way, and still I stay. When I get distracted, you always tell me that you need me, and I'm waiting.
So guys, we arrived at the beach. And yeah. Tutiniwe mani SS, nsina na zipizza kuningi sana. So guys, I am so tired. Deliberate of vlog, I even so but guys, wait. There's a shy. Happy New Year. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm so tired. I wanna go home so bad. But yeah, I'm not ashamed. We are having so much fun. And yeah, I think it's on later on. For now, I ain't getting so yeah guys, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So kuningi my voice yeah amba ay man guys nizanibona ne sharp ne. Hey guys, so yeah, and this is Usange, Alota, Anganatsu, Lepo, I'm your Linosa song. So yeah guys, what's up people be rolling, scheming on you and your homie. Every first day of summer, all rolled down in a Hummer thing. Hit the park and parlay, hope that you walk the way. You and your girls on the ride, play all day. Say what, you know that I like it, baby. Ooh, girl, you know what's up, and you know what I need.
And though my heart can take no more, I keep on running back to you, 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 running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you treat me so bad. Said you love me, no one above me, and I was all you had. You know
Yes, final.
Yeah, ngizawuhluka ne-uniform gore umbhala sibe November.
Hayi guys, angingamanga.
kwayenyama ndiyisika
Saying how you tell me why you're crying, oh can you be why you gave me something I don't really
Ubani oba? Kumbuleni uzanifaka anifuna ngena vlog hey vlog period
why you gave me something I don't really feel why you know that's already when I found you on the ground
hey vlog hi how are you guys? My name is Yosinda period babes.
Bahagu here.
I'm a grade 12 learner, guys. Okay. Grade 12. And yo, I'm so proud of myself. Guys, siyakula. Like not so long ago, I've been doing grade 8. Grade 8. Like, this is the best. I haven't spoken to you guys ever since I got here. But like, yeah. So yeah guys, ever since we figure out kangenthethe ufuna nimfeaturishe so yeah I'm featuring UK yeah so guys ever since I got here kangikwazi ukuthetha nabo but yeah siyaholweni ngoku so motivate because this is my children so yeah
Subscribe.
So motivate yeah guys
Like, comment and share.
yes batshelen guys yeah guys abeka apha into yakho on Instagram le yakho nibafollow okay hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another day in fact because yeah, so today is the 12th of January and I hope you guys are still enjoying the vlog because yeah, I'm enjoying to vlog for you guys. I've been vlogging since the 1st of January, so yeah, please keep watching and don't forget to like, share, subscribe. ndine-fever ke sam, so my voice I think andiyazi, but yeah.
Lambe down. It is happening.